Speaking of the big day, Super Bowl Sunday every year, one stock that has been benefiting a lot from this is DraftKings, stock ticker symbol DKNG. Recently, not only is it's that time of year where the Super Bowl and sports are really picking up. Sports betting is a really popular thing right now. Not only that, but also ARK Invest and Cathie Wood, they recently bought 620,000 shares of DraftKings. DraftKings is up now about 100% in the last couple of months. And right now, it's sitting around that $64 price range. It is reaching all-time highs in the stock price. And whenever Cathie Wood and ARK Invest puts their stamp of approval on a stock, they buy it. A lot of investors start flocking over to that. And that is something that we've seen time and time again with stocks like Skills, which I've spoken about previously, and now also with DraftKings. So ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, they put their stamp of approval on DraftKings. And recently, DraftKings signed an exclusive daily fantasy sports deal in Canada. So they are the exclusive and official fantasy sports partner for the NFL in Canada. And this is ahead of sports betting legislation. So the NFL and DraftKings, they expanded an exclusive daily fantasy partnership to Canada. This agreement was first signed in 2019, in September of 2019, and it was limited to the United States. But now they expanded this to Canada, and this is important because Canada has not yet legalized sports betting, but you're allowed to have daily fantasy sports. Fantasy sports are a huge part of the NFL. A lot of people participate in them, and having this partnership expand to Canada before sports betting is legal is going to give DraftKings a great entry into Canada. It's going to give them the ability to gain a strong user base of daily fantasy sports users before sports betting is legalized. And that means once sports betting is eventually legalized in Canada, it's going to lead to massive amounts of revenue for the company. And I really like this stock moving forward. In our public investing account, I own about 2,000 shares of this stock I own 1,000 shares of this stock for $64,380. I've talked about this a lot in our group, and if you aren't a member already, you like to see when I buy and sell stocks in real time, well, then make sure to check out our group using the link down below. Our count is already up over 40% for 2021. Our goal is to get it to $1 million by the end of the year. Currently sitting around 715,000. But yes, DraftKings is a stock that has been continually going up over 340% for the last year. Now, ARK Invest put its stamp of approval. They signed a new agreement with Canada, and I think everything is lining up for DraftKings to still have another great year for the stock, another year where we could possibly see the stock price double. So that is a stock we are going to continue to follow, see what happens, see what develops over the next couple of months, if any new agreements happen, and what continues to happen over the next few years.